Hello of you. My name is Tajib sir, and today I am going to teach you new topic. Okay, but first things let's see the today's thought. So what is the thought of today? Let's we check on here. So today's thought is push yourself. Push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. It means what? Push yourself. Nobody is your coming from our self to pushing, because no one else is going to do it for you. Nobody is coming, no one else is going to do coming from your pushing your us self. Understood? It means we have to do something, we have to do a hard work or smart work. Okay, now students, let's move on further. So what we have done in last sessions, we have what we have done in last lecture. So we have done a revision of the what step of the problem solving. Means how many steps we are seeing that, 5 steps. Okay, but mostly we are remember that 4 steps. Okay, now here the time of revise the step of problem solving. So students, I am telling you what is I am give you and speak to with me. Okay, what is the first step of the problem solving? First step is what? Understand the problem, understand the read the question and understand the problem. Understood? Then after, second is find the data. Okay, what is the second step? Second step is what? Second step is that means find the data or find the information where into the problems. And then after, problems number 3 means step number 3. What is the second step? Now we have decide what to do. Then after, solve the problems. Okay, and then after check the answer. It's the step of our what? Step of problem solving. And then further, what we have done? Exercise number 3. But exercise number 3 we are not full do yesterday. Only question number 3. Question number 3, application in real life. Then after, students, we are move on today's content. Okay, first of all, let's we check what we have done, what we are done today. Means what we are learn also today. The number of families. The number of families means what? Number of families means you have 2 numbers. Okay, and then we have find the new number, its answer. Means then after, regrouping. And today we are student see the definition of regroup. What is a regrouping, and when we are using the regrouping, subtractions, and then after, subtraction of 3-digit number. Okay, so today our 3 topic is what? Number, families, regrouping, subtraction of 3-digit number. So students, here again and again I am telling you have a one aim today. What we have learned? The number families, regrouping and subtractions of 3-digit number. Understood? So now today, students, we are checking the today's content. So we are check the first is number families. So now, what is a number families? First topic name is what? Number family. Number family means what? When addition and subtraction facts are related, we say they belong to the same fact family. Okay, I am telling you, just wait. Okay, one words I am telling you what is the meaning of all sentence. When we are doing the addition, when we are okay. Now one more thing I am telling you, students, what we have done second chapter, addition, and now which chapter we have? Chapter number 3. Chapter number 3 is which chapter? Subtraction. So students, subtraction. So addition and subtractions, both concepts are coming on the in this topic, number family. Okay, addition and subtraction. So number family is our new topic for us. So let's now learn this topic. When addition and subtraction facts are related, what? Addition and subtraction facts are related, we say they belong to the same fact family. What? Belong to. When to belong? To the same fact family. What? Same fact the family. Means addition and subtraction facts are related to a which who. Okay, facts are related to, we say that belong to the same family. Now you see these pictures. The son is okay, and it's a father and its mother. Okay, so children is coming of both this her mother his mother and his father's family, belong to both his family. Okay, I hope you understood all things, students, because of I am telling you, I am explaining you by the example of this picture. Okay, the son is belong to his father and his mother's family. Okay, now let's check a move what we are doing. Okay, what is the first concept? We are learning, students, we are learn the number family. Okay, and we are already learn means numbers of family what related to the fact or same family. To use the same numbers to build a different connections. What? Use the same number. What we are using here? We are using here the same number. So students, we are using here what? Again and again I am telling you, we are using here the different numbers. Okay, for example, which I am taking here different number 20 and 30, but build the difference connection. What is a different connection? See, different connection. Okay, it's made a 50, 20 plus 3, 0, 30 plus 15. Understood? So now again I am telling you all, students, use the same numbers to build a difference connection. So it means 20 is different. See, now read properly. Use a number. Use a number. See here. Same numbers. Okay, use the same numbers to build a different connection. Understood? It's but here both numbers are not same. We have to build something different. Okay, see now. Understood all, students? Okay, now we are move on further. Okay, now the students. Okay, the same three numbers can be used to make two subtraction facts. What we are checking here first? Subtraction. What, students? We are checking here the subtraction. First of now here your current chapter is a subtraction. That's why I am taking here the first subtraction. So students, here I am taking the example of subtractions of number of family. The same three numbers can be used to make a two subtraction facts. So 5 minus 3, okay, is equal to 2. We have to here take the 5, and we are taking from 5 to 3. So 5 minus 3. So how many comes, students? 2. Okay, and what is our definitions? We are taking the same number. So 5 here also and 5 here also. So both are same number. This 5 and this 5. Okay, this 5 and this 5, both 5 are same. Okay, but that is a different connection. 3 is different and 2 is different from that both sum. So 5 minus 3, and answer is what? 2. 5 minus 3. So how many left, students? 2. And here, students, 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. So how many, students? 3. Okay, first top digit means upper digit is a big 5 and lower digit is a 2. So 5 minus 2, we are doing the 5 minus 2. So how many save? 3. Understood? Numbers of family, it's called what? Number family. Number families. It's a very easy, students. Okay, we have to take the sum both number are same. First, both number I am taking here the both upper, means upper side this number and this number, I am this number and this number I am taking, because of we have to take a sum to both numbers, sum same to both numbers, and I am taking here difference both a down digit. So that's why I am taking upper 2 digit 5 and this 5. Understood? So 5 minus 3, so it's a 2 left, and 5 minus 2, so 3 left. Okay, it's your what? Number family. I hope you understood betterly, all students, because of very easy this topic. The same three numbers can be used to make a 2 subtraction fact. Okay, what? The same three numbers can be used to make a subtraction. Okay, make to a subtraction fact. Understood? This is your subtraction. Okay, but in which topic, students? Number family in a subtractions. Now what we are doing, what we are learning, now we are learn the number family, but to a related addition. So now let's see the additions. Okay, now students, one more thing here, you are check this number. First of all, what is the sentence I am reading here? Three numbers can be used to make a 2 addition fact. In further slide, what we are learn, in further side, three numbers can be used to make a 2 subtraction fact. Okay, 2 or 3 subtraction fact. 2 subtraction fact. The same three numbers can be used to make to a subtraction fact. And now here three number can be used to make 2 addition fact. Let's see here a three number can be used to make 2 addition fact. Again and again I am reading you, three numbers can be used to make 2 addition fact. Okay, it means a 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. So how many make here? 5. 2. We are adding. We are taking the 2 and add into 3. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. And here same, 3 plus 2. This number and this number both are same. Okay, and this 5. 3 plus 2 is the opposite direction. See here, 2 3 is equal to 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, and here 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. It is the same answer, but here are what here for you students, here is the addition. And further what we have learned, further we have learned the subtraction. So students, subtraction and additions both are not same. In subtraction we are a minus something, a minus, we have to left something. Okay, and here addition we have to add something. That's why a difference, but a number family are same, but related to the addition method and related to the subtraction method. Okay, so first of all what we have learned, students? We have learned the subtraction of number family. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, and here 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, and here the addition of number family. So students, 2 addition facts, 2 plus 3. What we are done, student? What we are learn here, students? Plus. Okay, means addition. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, and here 3 plus 2 5. Understood, all students? Then now we are move on the further. Okay, some example of number families. So what is the example of number families? So now let's see here 4 example of number family. Okay, now students, we are checking here 14, 40, 30. 40 plus 30 is equal to how many? 17. Okay, students, what we are done here? Number family. What? Number family. So in 4 1 2 3 and 4 plus 3 means 13. So we are taking only first digit. Okay, here we are taking this 4 and here we are taking this 3. 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then after, how many numbers I am adding here? 3, 5, 6, 7. Understood? 5, 6 or 7. So how many make here? 7. And this 0 and this 0, same things. Okay, you have a one option of them do, and other option is what? 40 plus 30 is equal to how many? 17. Okay, and now further we are check. 30 plus 40 is equal to same, but see here, this is here 30 and here 30, and this is 40 and 40. So both number are same but a different connection. What? Different connection. And here 70 and this 70 both are same. Understood all students? So now let's check a subtraction. First of all, what is this? Addition. This addition and this addition. Okay, so first of all we learn the number of family, and it's a sums, which sum but addition sums. And here students, we are taking the example of which? Subtraction. First of all we learn the addition and then after we learn the subtraction. Okay, now students, 17 minus 14. Okay, so here we are taking only one digit, 7 minus 4. So we have 7 and minus into the 17 to the 14. So 4, it means a 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Minus to the 7. 7 to minus 4. So how many left? 3. Okay, and this 0 and this 0 all are same. Understood? So students, 17 minus 40 is equal to how many? 13. 17 minus 40 is equal to 13. And here a 17 minus 13 is equal to 14. Understood? Again and again I am telling you students, this 17 and this 17 both are same numbers but different connection. Answer is what is coming here? Difference. Here 30 and here 40. That's why our definition is what? The same three numbers can be used to make two subtractions. Okay, here 40 plus 30 is equal to 7. 30 plus 40 is equal to 17. 70 minus 40 is equal to 13. 70 minus 30 is equal to 40. I hope you understood all students this example. Okay, now we move on the further example. Okay, further example is not, but here is our next topic or new topic. Okay, what is a regrouping? You know all students what is a regroup? I am telling you. So you know what is a already we have done the regrouping, but here a definition, and when we are using the borrow, when we are doing the what? Regrouping. Understood? So students, now check what is our question. Question is what? You have a one question, you have a one doubt, you have a doubt related to the regroup. Okay, you have something telling your teachers, I have doubt what is a regrouping. So here two students ask to the teacher what is the meaning of regrouping. So its teacher is telling to regroup or borrowing is a word which we use to take a 10 from one number to give to another. Understood? What? Regroup or borrowing is a word which we use to take 10 from one number to give to another. We have do this when we do not have enough to subtract two numbers. It means what? We do, but what do here? We do this when we do not have enough to subtract two numbers. We have no more numbers. Okay, we do this when we do not have enough subtract to a numbers. Okay, I hope you understood what is a regrouping. So our answer is what? Anybody is ask you, beta, what is a regroup? So what you are give answer? So this answer you are keep it in mind. This all answer you are keep it in mind. Never forget this answer. Okay. Answer is what? A regroup or borrowing. Borrowing is a word, not a word. Word. We used to take 10 from 1. How many numbers? 10 numbers. 10 number means what? Here take a 10 number from a one number to give to another number. Okay, it means one number to give another number. Okay, whenever we are doing the sums, whenever we are do the subtraction, if any bigger number is coming, so what we are doing? Borrowing. Okay, so that's why we are taking there how many numbers? 10. How many numbers we are taking there? 10 from one numbers to give to the another. We do this when we do not have enough to subtract two numbers. Understood, all students? Now let's we move. Okay, one more question. You have a doubt. How do you know when to regroup in? How do you know? How to do? We don't know. Also I am don't know. So what I am doing here, let's see here. You know it's time to regroup in when the number you are subtracting is a larger than number which you are subtracting from. Understood? So students, you know it is time to do a regrouping. How you know when we are when or when we are doing the regroup? You have a one question in your mind. Okay, where or when we do the what? Regrouping. But here justify and here check. You know it's time to regrouping. What? It's time to regroup when the number you are subtracting. What I am subtracting here? When the numbers you are subtracting is the larger than what? Larger than the numbers which you are subtracting from. Understood? Now let's move here some example of regrouping subtractions. Okay, what is the example of here? Regrouping here what? Regrouping here some example. Okay, so now let's check here. Here are some example. Here this system, block system. This is block, this block. Okay, 10, 20. Okay, and here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 8, 9 and 10. 10 and 5. How many? 10 and 5. 25. Okay, now I am telling you 10 and 5. 10 and 5, not a 25, 15. Okay, 10 and 25 is a what? I can know. Okay, first of all 25 minus 80. Okay, so I have the upper digit. Which digit? 25 minus 18. Okay, so 5 minus 8. Is this possible? Yes or no? No. Is this not possible? Okay, so 5 cannot take away 8. 5 cannot take away 8. So we have must borrow from the 2. Okay, what we have do that? We have to do from the borrow of 2. Okay, so that's why students 5 plus 10, and whenever we are take the borrow, so how many numbers we are adding? 10. So 10 plus 5 here. How many I am wrote here? 15. The 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8. How many students? How many come students? 15 minus 8. Okay, one more thing students, I am forget to telling you, whenever you do the borrow, so what we are doing? Okay, so what we are doing, take the borrow and this number, this 5, always we are add to its number. Okay, always we are taking the borrow, but only we write the tens. Okay, but we are students not write that 10. Understood? 10 plus any digit is that, so we are writing that 10 plus 5, it means 15. 15 minus 8, so what we are writing here? 7. Then after I am cutting this digit, 2 number I am cutting here. What I am cutting here? 2 number. Okay, I am cutting here the 2 number. Here I am cut the 2 number. Okay, and what I am writing here? 7. What we are writing here? 7. Understood? 15 minus 8 is 7, and I am cutting this digit. Okay, so 1 and 1, 2 is as that. Okay, what we are taking here? Borrow from the 2. So cut the 2 numbers and 2 to small number 1. 1 minus 1, so 0. 1 minus 1 is what? 0. Now let's see what here is coming. Okay, now what is coming here? Answer 0, 7. Understood? Now students, let's move on other example. Here some examples. Okay, so again your second example. What is your second example? Second example is what? 51 minus 49. How many? 51 minus 49. So 1 minus 9, is this possible? No, I cannot take away 9. Okay, understood? What I am telling you, 1 cannot take away 9. So what we are doing? So we must borrow from the 5. So we must from the borrow. So 10. Okay, 10 plus this number. This number, what I am, where I am adding 10 with 1. So 11 minus 9. Okay, students, 11 minus 9. So what is answer is come 2. 11 minus 9. So I am writing here the 2. Then what we are do? We take the borrow of 5. So I am cutting the 5 and put the 4 number here. Okay. So 5 into 4. 4 minus 4. So answer is what coming? 2. Understood? Is this your second example? Now let's recap. How do we know when to the borrow? We don't know how, where we are taking and when we are taking the borrow. When the numbers we are subtracting is larger than the numbers we are subtracting from. So here again I am read the students, when the numbers we are subtracting is larger than the numbers we are subtracting from. Okay, here 6 minus 7, is this possible? No, 6 cannot take out a 7, take away 7. So I am taking here the borrow. So 10 plus 6, 16. 16 minus 7. So answer is what coming? 9. Then further here cut the 3. 3 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay. And now here new topic. What is a new topic? Already we have learned this topic, all students. What we learn, students? Already we learned this topic. Okay. What is our topic? Subtracting 3 digit number. Okay, subtracting 3 digit number. How do we group? How do we regrouping? Understood, all students? So now here 285 minus 95. So 5 minus 5 here. So answer is what coming? 0. Okay, it's right answer. We need to regroup by taking 100 and given it to the tens. Here which number is coming, students? All 1, and here tens, and here hundreds. Okay, so taking a 100 given it to the tens. go on next door and get the 10 more. Okay, 10. So 8 minus 9. 8 minus 9. Is this possible? No. So what to do? We are taking here the borrow. I am taking here the borrow. 10 plus what? 8. So what is coming here? What we are write here, the 80 is coming. Okay, 10 plus 8. 10 plus 8. How many? 18. Okay, 18 minus 9. So how many answer is come? 9. 18 minus 9. And further we are digit cutting. Okay, 2. 2 is smallest number is 1. So 1 is in here, nothing, 0. So 1 minus 0. So what is here coming? No need to write any numbers. So answer is what coming, students, here? 1. Okay, 0 is no need to writing here, but we have to condition to write there. So I am cutting the first two number, write 1. 1 minus 0. So answer is what? 1. So let's now we check our answer. 190. Understood, all students? Today what we have done? Today we have done the subtraction of 3-digit number, and last sum is 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 0, 4 minus 1 3, and 5 minus 4 1. So answer is what? 113. Understood, all students? Now let's move. Our session is here done. Okay, our session is done, student. So thank you so much all of you